I'm currently walking at the locker and there's no one here, and that is my locker on the top side, on the right side. And today I'm at my workplace and I will just sleep here, and I don't want to be noisy, so I am recording it right now when I am preparing to go to my locker. And apparently I did see the soap that I used before. I lost it and it's still there on the aisle that where I left it, and I think it's been weeks, so I'm really happy because it made me realize that no one used the shower at the gym, because I did take a shower there last time and then before I lost my soap. And today I'm just gonna record this a minute video before I go to sleep. And also I did my appointment with not annual, but a checkup. And yes, I really wanna do that. And it's actually pretty fast. Like, it doesn't even take a minute. You just need to inform or provide some information and then boom, that's it. Tomorrow I'll be doing my checkup, so I just need to prepare for that. But right now I just need to prepare to sleep. I have my bag, 2 bags actually. This one has the soap in it, so I have 2 bags with the soap. And I don't think I'm gonna need that much here, so I'll just bring this one. Is a face mask with headphone, so I didn't know how to charge it because there's no outlet or any type C indication that it will be charged, so that's that. And then my blanket,